Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to change the background opacity of captions on the Facebook app when you're using it on your PC. If you've noticed captions are too bold or too faint, this small tweak can make them much easier to read. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home screen, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. Now click on Settings to open your main account settings page. Once you're inside the settings area, look through the menu until you find the section labeled Media. Click on it to access your media preferences. Now, this is where the adjustment happens. Scroll until you see Captions display. Next to it, you'll find an option to change the background opacity. This setting controls how solid or transparent the caption background appears while you're watching videos. Adjust the opacity level to your preference. If you want captions to stand out more, increase the opacity. If you prefer a more subtle look, lower it until it feels comfortable for your eyes. After making your change, don't forget to click Save Changes. This ensures your new setting is applied, and that's it. Your captions will now appear exactly how you want them, making your viewing experience smoother and more enjoyable. Give it a try and see what works best for you.